This is Dr. Gaurang, and I want to talk to you today about, I believe, the most important repertory that a homeopathic student should do after Kent and Fatak repertory. This is Boger Bonninghausen's characteristics repertory. I believe this is one of the most important repertory that you should have to really treat your patients of acute symptoms, fever symptoms, pathological cases, and cases with very few symptoms. So this is the book without which I cannot imagine treating cases of malaria, dengue, palliative care, colics. This is the book. I'm going to give you one of the examples. I recently had a very interesting case a few months back, and the only symptom was that the man would get fever, and during the fever, the heat would be there only on the eye. So this is a very fantastic repertory where you can go into the fever chapter and then go into section called as concomitants and then go into the eye section and then tada, you can see the rubric burning felt in the eye, single remedy, petroleum. This is a remedy you will never think about. So this is the fascinating part of the repertory where if you see in a case concomitants and modalities a lot, it's a very beautiful way of treating acute cases. Me and my colleagues, including Heiner Fry, other homeopaths across the globe, will be talking about Bonninghausen repertory in the entire course of 30 hours of repertory training from basic to advanced level. If you haven't already joined, join us. Email gaurang@gmail.com and you get a special 30% discount. We start in next 20 days. Thank you and namaste.